dance to light and wrong to right.
Heart attack.
Let me